Hello everybody and welcome to another video. This is a bit impromptu actually. It was a horrible day and we were like, oh, let's go to the plant shop and get some more bits for the garden. So we're at Plants Galore, which is just outside of Newton Abbot, and we're getting some more veggies and some herbs and things. So I just thought I'd make a video out of it and give you an update on the garden.
Hi guys, so we've just come up to pick up a few things, but as is often the case in garden centres, we normally buy more than we actually want or need. But we've got some bargains today because a lot of the veg packs are on sale. So we weren't originally going to do lettuce because they can bolt a lot, but and we don't eat it at the same time it's growing, so you'll get loads of full grown lettuce at the same time. However, we do actually buy lettuce for some of our animals, which comes in plastic and so on. So even if this ends up imperfect, it'll help with the tortoise and the rabbit in small quantities. We've also got some mint. We use mint quite a lot, but we also put it in cocktails on our bar. And we've got a lemon tree at home, but we've just got another one here, which is going to be a gift for Laura's dad for Father's Day. And then we've just got some other randoms. We've got some more celery. We've got some sprouts and stuff, which we weren't going to grow originally, but because they're sort of coming to the end of their shelf life and they're £1 a tray, we thought we'll have a go at them. You know, it's £1 for a stick of sprouts in a shop, so I've got probably about 20 sticks here for £1. Yes, we've got to grow them ourselves, but just makes it good, healthy, homegrown food, but literally on our doorstep.
So just a little garden update, because I realise it's been a little while since we've updated you guys. We've got these raised beds now, and we've put celery and lettuce in there, and we're also going to plant some carrots. We've just generally tidied this whole area up, even though it doesn't look very tidy right now, but we're getting there. And you can see here where Stu has planted potatoes and they're all starting to pop up. There's our bog hotel. And here's our beautiful little courgette plants. Now you're probably wondering what all this stuff around them is. We actually went to the beach and got some seaweed because it kind of deters the slugs and acts as a fertiliser, but it's obviously natural, so it's better than using all these chemical things that you get at the shops. And there's a few nibbles on the leaves, but generally they're doing their job, which is cool. There's broccoli under that, celery over there, and I'm going to take you up there and show you our amazing spinach. So I'm super excited about this spinach. It looks epic. You don't get leaves like that in Sainsbury's. And here, Stu's planted more potatoes, which are just starting to pop up. And I bought some lovely rosemary plants and a lavender plant because the bees absolutely love them, and it's just herbs, cheap, bee-friendly herbs, rather than buying them in plastic in the shops. But I just want to marvel again at this spinach. It just looks amazing. Beasts! And last but not least, look at that tree. It's coming back like cray. And all of our little wildflowers are coming through. But something really creepy happened the other night. Stu came up here in the dark and there was this random balloon. And he said if it was red, we'd all be dead because it would be here. Okay guys, so you know how proud I am of this spinach. Well, today I'm going to cut some and I'm going to eat it. So just going to use my little scissors and get the biggest leaves and then leave the smaller ones and continue growing. Lovely, fresh, homegrown, organic spinach, no plastic, delicious. What's the point of having a garden if you can't sit down once in a while and have a coffee? We all deserve a break sometimes.